Hello lovelies, I'm back with another hair tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, so today I have to go and run errands. My hair kind of looks good like this. Maybe not the little flat. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I'm just whatever. I just woke up, so it's fine. But I have to go run errands, and I just wanted a quick hair look so that, you know, I'm still comfy, but I also don't look a mess when I go out. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be showing you guys this look. It's really easy and just fun to do. I am gonna be putting on a hat. You guys can do it with or without a hat, but personally today it's a hat day. It's rainy, it's gloomy, it's gross, and I just have to run a couple errands. So I always throw on a hat when I have to do that. Okay, take my hair out of my bun. It's been in, okay, I'm gonna have to take my ring off. Okay, so take my hair out. Okay, it doesn't look that bad for I don't know, I think it's 2-3 day old hair. I took a shower yesterday, so this is what it looks like. All right, now let's get started. So my hair is already somewhat parted down the middle. I'm going to fix it because it's not actually down the middle. A little bit better, but not quite. And I'm gonna part it all the way down the back because it's gonna be too, that's good. Okay, so yeah, all the way down the back. I'm going to pin this side off while I do the other side. Okay, so we're gonna start with this side. I'm gonna put a little bit of OLAPLEX oil in my hair, just for moisture reasons, and also this will help later when I'm trying to take out the elastic rubber bands. It just slips out a lot easier. So yeah. Good. Oh, this stuff smells so good. It smells like grapefruit to me. I don't know if anybody has ever had OLAPLEX oil, but that's what it smells like. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. All right, so first I'm going to take my little bristle brush and start brushing it down. Even though it's just going under a hat, I still want my hair to be flat for when I put it in my hair ties. Okay, and then I just take 2 thin hair ties. I like to use 2 because 1 isn't enough, and I feel like it's not tight enough. So I use 2 thin ones because my thick ones from Goody Hair are just too thick for this process. Okay, so it's nice and tight. Okay, there was some hair in there from the other side. It's nice and tight now. And then what you're gonna do, take your elastics, and go a little bit further down from the first hair tie that you put in. There's that one. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this as if it was a hole. You're gonna open it like that, and you're gonna slip the other hair through. You're just gonna thread it through that hole that you created, just like that. And it looks like you fishtailed a little bit of the section, but you didn't. You did it 10 times easier than fishtailing. And then you're just gonna continue that all the way down. I'll show you guys again. So a little bit further down from the other hair tie I put in, which is right here. So I'm gonna put this one right here. And then you're gonna create the hole again and thread your hair through. You just stick it through. Pull. Just like that. And you can tighten it a little bit and maybe like pull it a little bit. But yeah, just like that. If my curls looked good today, this would be cute, just like leaving out. I love when like excess hair is left out, when it's like curly hair. I mean, even straight hair too, wavy, whatever the case may be, because I think it just looks like so cute. All right, I think I have room for one last elastic, and then we're going to move on to the other side. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Yeah, this would be really cute, like if you just left your hair like this and didn't have like a hat on, but I feel like today is a hat day for me. I don't know. Yeah, it looks cute. I use how many elastics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I use 6 elastics, so pretty good. It looks cute. I like it personally. All right, now I'm gonna do this side. Both sides all done. I need to go change and figure out what hat I'm gonna wear. Okay, so this is my hair all done with the hat on. I don't know, kind of like it better with the hat on. Little close-up of what they look like from the side. Really cute. Like I said, they're just easy little fishtails without actually having to fishtail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little in-depth tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.